Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I am KANTHARAJ from NAGAR branch. So today we are going to teach you how to do ISPMT formula in MS Excel. So actually PMT formula, first we finished off with the PMT and then we can come to the ISPMT. So here we have the PMT formula. So the PMT formula has been uploaded in another video. So but here I am repeating once. PMT formula, it is used to calculate the EMI. EMI nothing but if the person is taking the 5 lakh rupees of loan or 1 lakh rupees of loan, interest rate per annum is per year for 1 year. For 1 year interest it is 24%, then per month it will be 2%. So into 12 months per annum it will be 24%. Tenure he will be paying 24 months since 2 years EMI. So how much EMI he has to pay? Every month he has to pay 5,287 rupees EMI. So here we are going to calculate the EMI amount by using PMT formula. Is equals to PMT, open the bracket, rate 24%, comma. So if you select the cell as a 24%, it accepts per month rate. So the cell address divided by 12. So per annum. The 24% is divided for per annum, comma, n per is how many number of values? 24. So rate, the interest rate, it is applicable for per year. N per number of payments, 24 payments I am making, nothing but for 2 years, 24 months, comma, PV is the present value. The present value is the loan amount. Close the bracket and enter. Now the employee has to pay 5,287 rupees every month for 1 lakh rupees loan for the tenure of 24 months at the rate of interest 24% per annum. But now I want to know how much interest every month I has to pay. At the first month, how much interest amount has been paid in this EMI. So if suppose the loan amount is 1 lakh, the EMI is 4,136, then the interest rate will be first month 2,000 and the principal will be 2,136. The EMI remains every month same. But in the EMI, the principal amount will be included and also interest will be included. For example, the loan amount is 1 lakh. The EMI will be 4,136. In this 4,136, 2,136 will be the principal amount and the first month interest rate will be 2,000. Second month, the interest rate will get decreased and the principal amount will get increased. So until it gets zeros, the principal amount will be increasing and the interest rate will be decreasing. So here I need to calculate the interest rate. On the first month, how much interest I had paid. And the third month or 10th month, up to 24 months. Every month, how much interest rate I had paid. I need that value. So for this, we are going to use ISPMT. ISPMT, it is a function, it is a formula. It is used to calculate the interest rate per month. Suppose if the employee is paying every month 5,287. So in the first month, what is the principal amount? And what is the interest amount? So that I need to calculate. So for that, we are going to use ISPMT. ISPMT is rate, n per values, PV. Rate is nothing but the interest rate, 24%. Divided by 12, it is divided by per month, per, I need the first month EMI. In the first month EMI, 5,287 rupees. How much the interest rate and how much the principal amount, n per 24 months I am paying. The employee is paying for 24 months. PV, the present value is 1 lakh rupees, the loan amount. Close the bracket. Here you can observe the rate is interest rate 24% divided by 12 and per which installment, first installment or second installment or 24th installment or 10th installment, n per number of months, how many months he is paying, 24 months, if suppose the tenure is in the years, 2 years, then C4 into 12, nothing but into 12, nothing but 12 months. Then it has become 24 months. So here the tenure is mentioned in a months. So I can directly take the cell address, no need of giving into 12. PV is the loan amount. So the interest rate, the employee is paying in the first month is 1916 rupees interest is paying in the first month. Suppose going to the 10th month, he is paying of 1166. If suppose at the 19th month, he is paying about 416 rupees interest, remaining amount that will be principal amount. At 23rd EMI, he is paying just 83 rupees interest rate, and remaining amount it will be principal. So if his 20th EMI, on the 20th EMI he is just paying 333 rupees, that is the interest rate, and the principal will be more. On the first month, interest will be high, principal will be low. But on the last month, interest will be low and the principal will be high. So here in the ISPMT, we can calculate the interest amount on each and every EMI. We have to mention the EMI, which EMI here, and that particular EMI, how much interest rate I am paying. So that we can calculate by using this formula. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe for the CAD NEST channel.